Righto, as you can see, I have not opened my SewHayleyJane box at all. It arrived Wednesday, May 11th, and yeah, so let's do an unboxing. Right, let's start off with the little book that Hayley puts in, and this month it is called the Darling Buds of May. So a little hint there as to what is in the box. So on the first page, Hayley always starts off with a hello and yeah, kind of a little bit of a description of what is in each of the 3 boxes. Most of you guys know that I have always subscribed to the middle tier, which is the classic box. There is a tier above, which is the luxury, and the first tier, which is the mini box. Okay, so we have a little box here, and it's called Joe's Tea Company, and yeah, organic. And let's have a little peek inside. Right, I just quickly changed out the backdrop there so the colour of the tea and the bag would show up much clearer. So yeah, we have 1 tea bag in the little box, and yeah, I did do the sniff test and yeah, smells delightful. The description here is a delicate Ceylon tea. I do not know how to pronounce that. Leaves are lovingly hand-picked and directly traded from traditional ethical tea plantations in Sri Lanka. So apparently that is where this tea has originated from. Next up we have a Gadaman thread. So a little bit of a sneak peek here. And yeah, I'm not going to say too much. It's not necessarily the colour there for the main fabric. We also have some pretty ribbon with some little red polka dots, and yeah, I really like the blue colourway there of that ribbon. And yeah, if you're a little bit kind of stuck for ideas, again, it's great for wrapping little gifts up or some little baggies. Maybe you could snip off some small increments of ribbon and shape them as little bows. They can also go on the ends of zipper to help with the zipper pull, because sometimes, you know, when you actually put your fingers on the actual zipper itself, sometimes it slips off. So having that extra little length of ribbon tied to it is a great help sometimes. So yeah, or even little delicate kind of little embellishments on maybe underwear. Next up we have two little pictures from Little Rosy Cheeks, and they both say so perfect, and yeah, they're super fun and I really like the colours. Righto, starting off with the 4 fat quarters, we have this delicate little white stripe with this green colourway. I find that really pretty. And yeah, these little fat quarters can be used for any of those little small projects, or even cut into smaller increments if you are into quilting or patchwork. This next one, kind of thought it was going to be a little bit fruity. We have blueberries, we have blackcurrants, cherries and raspberries, possibly even a strawberry. That one up there. Really pretty. This one definitely screams to go on a picnic, and yeah, the colours coming up pretty true there. Again, really fun and vibrant colour. Finally, we have that one here, and yeah, if you have been picking fruit, here is the kind of day's pickings, and yeah, really like this one. Okay guys, now it is time to reveal the main fabric, which is 2½ yards cotton poplin. Ta-da! It is this beautiful cherry fabric here, and yeah, I just find it so fun, and it definitely reminds me of perhaps maybe even a vintage style shirt dress. And yeah, get 2½ yards in the classic box, and yeah, it's just a great fun fabric. Really enjoy going to work with this one. Have a couple ideas. Yes, probably will actually be something along the lines of a vintage style shirt dress and or shirt, and then if I just only make a vintage shirt style shirt, then I'd have a whole bunch of fabric left over to create something else. Definitely say that. It's a bit of a tongue twister. A shirt style shirt, vintage style shirt. You know what I mean, guys. So there we go, guys. This is what is inside this month, May, of the SewHayleyJane box. And yeah, let me know if you got the same colourway in the main fabric, or if you got the other one. Excited to do some sewing with these beautiful fabrics. I especially like the fat quarters this month. Oh, they really are dreamy. are Wednesday, May 11th, 17:35, and Mama has just turned up. I've not seen Mama for almost 2 weeks, and of course, just literally cleaning out the pool, and she's just arrived. Oh, she's so beautiful. Wow, just like that.
She's waddling quickly, look.
Look at our 2 male ducks on the roof. Funny boys. There's Renee singing in the background. She's landed on the pup.